How to put your iPhone in diagnosis mode. To put your iPhone into diagnosis mode, first of all, you have to shut down your device. For that, launch your settings, go to the general and tap on shut down and slide that slider to power off. Once your device is turned off, connect to a computer. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a lightning cable. Make sure that the computer has Apple Configurator 2 or Xcode installed. Now you have to enter diagnosis mode. Keep pressing the side button until you see this interface. Once you see this interface, you have to simply hit on the start session to start your diagnosis mode. The diagnosis mode will automatically run tests on various components of the iPhone such as the display, battery and sensors. In this way, you can easily put your iPhone in diagnosis mode. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.